it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. I'm so glad you're here. We are hopping today. We have the design team creating fun projects. The holidays are coming up so quickly. I hope this hop gives you some inspiration, some ideas. We're all using Not Too Shabby products. We're using some of our favorites, and I just wanted to pull out some of the stamps that we have in the shop, so I'm going to concentrate on sharing stamps today. Hop to each person and see what they'll be sharing. This hop is going to be really fun. I'll even pull a winner for a $25 gift certificate if you leave a comment on each video. I think there's 10 of us in this hop. I will have the links to each video down below. You can also click on the hashtag N2S Holiday Hop to bring up all the videos in the hop. Okay, I'm gonna start with this really cute stamp set, Gingerbread Kisses. Love this set. The little gingerbreads are so adorable. There's two bold sentiments in here. I love this one, Christmas Wishes and Gingerbread Kisses, and Have a Sweet Christmas. And here's how I use them. I cut the little cup here and I tucked the little gingerbread in. And then here's another one I did. Super fun. This one here is one of my favorite stamp sets. This one is called Gingerbread Hugs. I love the giant cup with all the gingerbread inside and these two cute penguins. There's cute sentiments in here. Christmas calories don't count. Warm winter wishes. There's a to and a from, so this is great for making tags. Gingerbread Hugs and Have a Sweet Holiday Season. And then here is a cute little card. Had to glitter up the cute little gumdrop. And then here's a cute one with the penguin. Using that cute sentiment, Christmas calories don't count. We have a large sentiment, Farmhouse Christmas. This one's got a lot of nice stamps in here. I love the cars. A fun way to do it is to kind of stamp off your page. So it looks like there's movement and the cars are continuing off the page. And then a nice big beautiful sentiment. Life is better on the farm. It's a farmhouse Christmas theme. You can find all these products at the Not Too Shabby shop. I'll have these stamps listed down below so you can find them easily if you're interested. And this one is the Cozy Forest Friends. I love these because they're perfect for peeking out of little windows or shapes on your cards. They're really nice size, great for little tags. And then there's 3 sentiments in here. No winter is too cold when you have enough love. Wake me when winter is over, and I'm wild about you. So this is great. It'll carry you through Valentine's Day. And I stamped a friendly hello on this one. And then this one here, I really like this stamp set. This is the Peppermint Mocha Season. It's got some great sentiments. So this is how I used it. Peppermint Kisses and Gingerbread Wishes. I kind of curved my sentiment at the top there. The other sentiment, Move Over Pumpkin Spice. Here Comes Peppermint. I love that one. Happy Peppermint Mocha Season. And that sentiment there. Super cute set. So I hope you enjoy the hop and have fun, get lots of inspiration, and I will see you guys real soon. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to the channel and hit that bell for notifications. That way you won't miss a video. Thanks for stopping by, guys, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.